Hi, and welcome to One Monroe. Today we're taking a look at non-skid leveling studs and how they improve stability. Non-skid leveling studs are adjustable threaded feet designed to level equipment while helping prevent unwanted movement and vibration. Unlike standard leveling studs, they feature a textured non-skid base that creates additional grip against the floor. They install easily into threaded holes and can be adjusted to compensate for uneven floors and surfaces. You'll often find them on machinery, workbenches, racks, tool cabinets, tables, appliances, and other industrial equipment. Most non-skid leveling studs include four key parts: the threaded stud, the locking nut, the non-skid base, and a swivel mechanism. The locking nut helps secure the adjustment, while the swivel mechanism allows the base to pivot and maintain contact on uneven floors. By reducing vibration and movement, non-skid leveling studs can help create a quieter and more stable workspace. To learn more about our non-skid leveling studs and explore our full range of industrial hardware, visit us at onemonroe.com. Thanks for watching.